Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. 2021 Charger. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. The way to do it is you're gonna hit lock. Everything is added to the factory alarm. There's no need to carry another remote control on this particular installation. But the car must have a factory alarm system. Therefore, we can do the shock sensor add-on kit to it. If it doesn't have a shock sensor, I won't be able to do it. I mean, a factory alarm, I won't be able to do it. But mostly all these new cars now, like the ones that especially come with the remote start, they all have a factory alarm system. But the way to test it, if you want to make sure to see if you're a candidate to get this sensor add-on to your vehicle, just put the driver's window down, close the door, turn off the car, of course, hit lock. You're going to be in the outside of the car, and wait about maybe 30 seconds and just reach in and pull the handle and open the door from the inside and see if the horn starts honking. If it doesn't, then you're good, and then you're a perfect candidate to add the shock sensor to it, because what happens with these factory alarm systems, they don't come with any type of impact sensor. The only way it works is if the door's open. So if somebody breaks in, busts a window and just jumps in and use a laptop to clone another key, they can possibly drive away with your vehicle. Or not to mention, they can put the car on 4 brakes and bust out the lug nut locks and take your rims and tires. I'm gonna go ahead and bang in the first tire. Basically what they use a tool, a socket that goes in by pressure, and they hammer it in and they retract whatever lug nut locks you have. So any banging on them will fire off the factory alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the sensor works. I'm gonna rearm it. Okay, now we'll give it another 30 seconds and then we'll bang on the window this time. Pretty nice color in the vehicle, right? Give it a few more seconds and I'm gonna go ahead and bang on any window. I'll do the other side too. That way you can see that the sensor works evenly on both sides. Should be enough time. Go ahead and rearm it. Give it a few seconds, and then well, by the way, we'll test out the remote start too. I believe you got to hit lock and then press this puppy here twice. This is from factory. We didn't install that. It should be enough. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. And I'll do the remote start. And you can just press this twice to turn off the vehicle. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Fort Lauderdale by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do have mobile service as well. We thank you for watching this video.